Hi, in this video I'll be unboxing the GoPro Hero12 Black Creator Edition. I just recently bought this on Prime Day on Amazon a few weeks ago. It's October 2023. And on Amazon they've also got a bundle which includes this 50-piece accessories kit. I think at the time I purchased it, it was around 665 bucks, but today I checked and it was just under $659 sold today. So, you know, try and see if you're interested in the GoPro. I think the bundles are very good because they include all these accessories. You end up spending a lot if you have to buy these accessories one at a time. In this video I'm going to show you what's inside these two packages, and I'm also going to include a link on the description of this video in case you're interested. It's an Amazon link to purchase this bundle. So here's what's immediately inside the package. Looks like we've got the GoPro, the Volta grip, and it's supposed to have a light and a microphone too. I'll take these out of the packages momentarily. And then the accessories package, this is what it's like when I open it up before I take the items outside. So on the top tray of the GoPro kit, it looks like we've got the GoPro unit here. Very similar form factor to the old GoPros that I've been using, except this one has a nice colored screen here up the front. We got the case here where I should be able to attach the light and the microphone, the lights here, the battery, and this Volta grip, which I believe can function as a tripod as well. And it's got some buttons and connections here. So it looks like I've got a lot of accessories in the second tray. This is a cover for the microphone, and then a couple of variety of mounts and charging cables as well. So that's all what's in the GoPro 12 Black, the GoPro Hero 12 Black Creator Edition box. Okay, in the accessory kits, it's looks like it's branded DigiNerds. It's got a ton of accessories. There's a small tripod, a selfie stick, suction cup mount. You know, this looks like a chesty strap. I believe this is a wrist strap. And various other mounts and accessories to create different angles and attach your GoPro wherever you want. This looks like a forehead mount. There's also this device which I think will be interesting for surfing. Maybe I can change the angle at which I attach the GoPro. There was this little bag where we've got a lot of other mounts here. Looks like we've got other adhesive strips and another small wrist mount. I'm not sure what some of these are. This is an interesting thing. This looks like a tank. I assume this is waterproof and will help the GoPro float in case I'm in the ocean, which I am all the time. So, you know, I would encourage you to click on the link in the description to see the various items that are in here, but it's a ton of accessories. And like I said, if you had to buy each of these one at a time, you'd spend a lot of money. But by buying these bundles on Amazon, you're able to get the GoPro Hero 12 Black Creator Edition, as well as this accessory kit, and hopefully it'll save you a lot of money. You know, this is my fourth GoPro. The original GoPro that I've had was actually this, the GoPro Hero Plus. It comes with a casing that allows it to be waterproof. And for this new GoPro, I bought a new casing because I often go out surfing and kayak fishing, and I want it to last long. This is the waterproof casing that I've been using for my recent surfing pictures. It's attached to a bite mount, and you know, the salt water, it's been so rusty that I can't take this off anymore. It's sort of rusted through, and you sort of see the flotation device got ripped up because I was able to fit the scuba suit here. So it's just really clunky. I'm gonna have to try to figure it out. The other two GoPros I have is the GoPro 5, which I'm using here right now to film this, and then this is my most recent one, the GoPro 7 Black, the GoPro Hero 7 Black. And this one has really worked well for me. It's got great stabilization. The challenge is I swam in the ocean with it a lot, and it wasn't in its scuba suit, and it's sort of been malfunctioning lately. the power button keeps going on and off, even though I have it in the off position. So it was sort of a sign that it's reached the end of its life. But it's been a real workhorse for me. And you can see that I've skipped from GoPro 7 all the way to GoPro 12, which is going to be this one. Here's a comparison of the GoPro 12 Black with the GoPro 7 Black, my most recent GoPro. You can see that this is a little bit larger, but this unit came with a plastic casing that allowed you to attach it to the mounts. Here, it looks like the mount attachments are already pre-built into the GoPro, so you don't need that extra plastic housing. Now, the opening for the battery is right here. It looks a lot more secure than the old one to keep it nice and waterproof. That's where you put your SD card and your battery. I'm going to try to charge this and test it out later today. For those of you who are avid GoPro users, I'd love to hear from you. Please share any comments or helpful tips, friendly tips in the comments below. You know, what kind of GoPros are you using now? How many GoPros have you gone through? What are your favorite accessories, and what hobbies do you use them for? You know, they're very versatile, especially for action sports, and they're waterproof. I like using the wide angle lens and editing them on my computer, and just creating content for YouTube. So, you know, please share any friendly comments. I'd love to hear from you. There were a few items that came out outside of the two packages. I got 2 white boxes that had 2 spare batteries. So now, with the one that came with the GoPro, that means that I've got 3 batteries, which is awesome. And it also came with a 64 gigabyte SD card. That was under a separate package, but in the same Amazon box. And then they had a lens cleaner. So this is all what came in with the Amazon bundle that I purchased on Prime Day. This is the GoPro protective housing. I think it used to be called the Super Suit, but I purchased this in order to take this out into the oceans. For example, when I go surfing, the GoPro is already waterproof, but this really helps make it last a lot longer. And compared to the old Super Suit, I did not have to take off the lens cover of the GoPro to fit it within this device. So, you know, it's a very sturdy casing. You can open it like that and see the GoPro is encased in plastic, keeping it safe from salt water. You know, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please click like, comment, or subscribe. I didn't have time to go through and talk about each of the items here, but I hope you can sort of see that it's a good deal. And check out my videos on YouTube. I've got my hobbies. I've got surfing, kayak fishing, mountain biking, snowboarding. Got some barbecue videos, a lot of how-to videos too. Surprisingly, my most popular videos are my organic lawn care videos. So I hope that this new GoPro and these accessories will be a lot of fun. Thanks for watching my channel, and thanks for supporting me. I've been able to reinvest some of the advertising earnings to buy this and sort of try to reinvest in my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and if you want to buy this bundle, click on the link in the description below. Thanks.